Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So here I will talk about Ambassador Program. So let me this beginner level. So here check. On beginner level, some people do airdrops like participate in token giveaways, engage with new project. Some do testnet, some do run, and some do on expert level thing, ambassador program. Here you have to represent and promote some project and lead community initiatives. So like you have to lead on Discord, uh, you have to help moderators moderating the Discord. Okay. So for ambassador program, for basically injective, let me tell you briefly. Here I have created this beautiful mind map. We will see that. So first on beginner, after joining the Discord, you will get your night role. This is very basic, like you just join and you will get it. And for warrior load, you have to reach level 5 on Discord. You have to be active on social media and you can do content creation like blog writing, meme creation, or Twitter thread writing, anything. And after 1 month as ninja, like sorry, as warrior, like after 1 month as warrior, you can submit for night role. And if your application is like submitted and passed, you will get your night role. And for that, you have to like engage daily in the Discord. You have to create content like articles, tutorials, and your requirement will be pass application process. Like after becoming warrior, you have to submit your all works as like what you did as a warrior. Like you created a blog article, okay, give me your blog article link. You created some meme, okay, let me see. Like you will have to create a Google Docs with you will create a Google Docs with all the links of your content creation, all the contribution you did as a warrior, and then only you can submit ads for night role. And if you get your night role, then you will get monthly INJ tokens based on your contribution. And I know you know that INJ is like one of the best thing in the crypto space. We all know that. Okay, and after you will become Lord. I know we can't become Lord that easily. Even I'm trying that. I don't know when will I get. I will. I dream about it sometimes. Okay, but anyway, let me injective Discord a little. I don't know if you can hear me or not, but I am trying very hard to create this video. Sorry. This is my private. Okay, so this is injective Discord server. So on general chat, you will talk professionally, you will help others, you will see what others are asking, like you will just observe general chat, okay? You will get the insights of it. And you chit chat for chit chat, basically. Use early SS for talks about Meto Finance. It's a app on the Injective blockchain created by Injective Labs team. Okay. And you have to be active on Discord in order to get night role, in order to become an ambassador of Injective, basically. So join the Discord. What are you waiting for? Start your journey. Make contents, beautiful content. I will like them all. I will comment on all. See you all.